why are they eating raw meat? Are they crazy? Like, dude, you're not lying. And these types of videos make millions of views. How? And why are some of them tying in trans fats into this? Well, this has to do a lot with manipulation about diets and the heart. These people use actual facts to correct their reasons to action and manipulate them in a very harmful way. That the reason for many heart diseases, which is currently the leading cause of death worldwide, is high-fat diets. High-fat, specifically high-trans fat diets, make LDL cholesterol higher, which clogs up arteries and can be fatal around the brain or the heart, which is called a brain stroke or a heart stroke. And this is why many people avoid trans fats in their diets. But this can go too far, as in the examples at the start of this video, and it can cause people to eat just raw meat, avoid all seed oils, any additives, which is just stupid. You're not an animal, you shouldn't eat raw meat. It can be dangerous, and the raw meat can have E. coli, salmonella, or other parasitic worms and stuff. For more fun and educational content, click that like button, smash that follow button, and peace out.